Well, I tried to get out of the room. Everyone, this is Otis and Pup Pup. Otis is the blue one. Pup Pup is the green one. These are two Quaker Parrots. They are considered, their real name is the monk parakeet. Don't ask me why. I have no clue. But they're not letting me out the enclosure door where I just got done doing the guinea pigs. Hello? Can I go now? Hi! Otis. Good boy, Otis. Hi! Good boy, Otis. Hi! Good boy, Otis. Pup Pup. Hi! Hi! For some reason, Pup Pup talks a lot better than Otis. Or Otis talks a lot better than Pup Pup. I love you. Hi! Hello! Hi! These two are a bonded pair of males, actually. It's kind of funny. But they are my babies. Can I get out of the room now, please? Can I get out of the room now? Can I get out of the room now? Oh, don't bite me. Thank you.